y'all feel, bro? We up in France.
Hey, it's gonna be fun.
I'm gonna eat a crap.
It's gonna be fun.
You know what I'm saying? Feeling good. Feeling lovely. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Omelette du fromage.
So you know, I'm feeling pretty good. Hopefully it's focused right now. Right? Get back editing like that. Damn.
Sharper.
Let me turn it around. There we go. Oh yeah. We up in France. Paris. Scooter City. You know what I'm saying?
Scooter City.
Gonna turn y'all into this Airbnb, man. But yeah, man. We here.
Welcome to the Tower of Truth. The Tower of Truth.
Over here in the alley. Freestyle, man. Go ahead. Yeah. So we up in the alley, and you know we killing it. We about to get some food, and you know we feeling it up in the Paris, and you know we easy, and you know we crazy, you know we my
scary. We in the city getting scary. All up in Paris, finna eat up on some cherries.
Hey.
Master Steve, y'all.
How can you describe, you know, what we all experienced so far?
It's a unique culture. I really had to think about it, you know. But it's genuine and intimate. So close knit. People are kind. They actually think about you. They're dripped out. Don't miss girl in the red, man.
Oh yeah, she is kind of dripped out.
Like it's just, and you can go talk to them and tell them like, yo, I like your fit.
She is kind of fresh. She is kind of fresh.
She on her vibes.
Yeah, she on her vibes. Yeah, for sure. Look at that. Ooh, red jacket. Okay.
Different.
Man, it's just vibes. Intimacy, like it's just warm. Awesome, man. Awesome. It's only day one.
Only day one.
It feel like day 4.
So it is day 2 up in Paris. Got a face looking all straight. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
So yeah, man, where you finna head?
Tower de Eiffel. Come on now.
Tower de Eiffel.
What you know about that?
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
I be that young, black, educated. People say I never make it.
How y'all feel about the food, man?
Look at me, I elevated. Y'all skin full lips, thick ass and wide hips. Bonnet for my head, don't care if people stare at you.
We made it to the Eiffel Tower. Yes, sir. We here now. In Paris, baby. Day 3, finna head to Disneyland Paris. We had a late night. We stayed up till like about, what, 5 o'clock? 6, just about. Man, but it was awesome. So now we finna head to Disney and I guess be little kids for a day.
Yeah, it's me. What's up? Just calling to let you know that I won't be needing your loving services any longer.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Lion King's pretty lit. It's raining like crazy out here, man. How y'all feeling, boys? It's cold.
Those robots. You'll rendezvous at Planet Z. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate.
Paris and foreign.
We out here, better get a full course meal. We got the champagne, enjoying life. The only black people out here, but. Yo, we just like look at this.
Tell me something. What do you know? What you know about that? Show me what that is.
I don't know if they know about that.
Like I ain't never been here before.
In Paris. Pour me up. Yeah. What's up, people? So we back at it again. Well, this is day. I have no idea at this
Lost
point.
count.
Who cares, bro?
Day
We still
lost
here.
count. Can't even see me. But we finna head to the Louvre Museum. I think I said it right. It's kind of dark. Yeah, we heading there right now. We got the face ready. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, all right. Mr. Steve, y'all. Isn't she lovely? Stevie wanna say it best. We really out here, man. We really out, dog.
Yes, sir.
That's the